Welcome to the Webdadi tutorial video for creating a website blog. Once you have logged into the VIA software, navigate to the left hand side of the dashboard and click on the menu item called Website. This will reveal a further drop down menu. Now click on Blog. This will open a list of all the blogs that you have currently saved in a dashboard to the right of the screen. To add a new blog, click on the orange Add Blog button in the top left hand corner of the screen. This will open a new window. You will now see a number of boxes that will need to be completed. Working from the top down, you will see the name box. This will be the URL of your blog post, so separate words out with hyphens. Keywords or tags reference your subject matter. You can add multiple keywords, but remember to separate them out with commas. On the website blog hub page, you'll be able to filter different blog postings through the tags that you have given them in VIA. Now assign the posting a valid from date. This date will assign the blog a date to show on the website from. If you want the posting to go out in the future, simply select the exact date this needs to show on the website from. Similarly, if you want the blog post to be assigned an end date when it will be removed from the site, then assign it a valid to date. For the blog to show live on your website, you will need to tick the visible button. If this is left unticked, then the blog will stay as a draft. Moving down the page, you will now need to add a title for the blog, and if applicable, a date of the event. You can always leave this blank if it doesn't apply to your blog post. The following description blocks will be where you add the content of the post in question. You can use the editing tools above to amend the look and feel of the post, adding in images or video. Once you've added all the content needed, feel free to add an author of the post in the following section. If you would like to embed a video to attach to the post, then copy and paste the URL into the video embed code section of the post. If you are happy to just attach an image, then click on the grey box next to the media section, allowing you to choose an image of your choice from your computer. Please note that images need to be 2 MB maximum and JPEG format. The final step is to click Save and Close, the blue button at the top left of the page. You have now finished creating your new blog post.